Hello lovers of bookies fashion, welcome to another episode of everything hair. So guys, I got this wig caps and I just decided to come on here to show you guys and tell you a little tip and tricks about wig caps. So here are normal dome wig caps. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. If not, guys, please, I'm not a dictionary. So here are normal wig caps. And then we have another type of wig cap, which is the original. So I'm going to recommend this. You can use this for normal wigging, but if you want glueless wigging, like frontal glueless wigging customization, I'm going to definitely recommend you get the original dome wig caps. This is just going to change your game completely. So you guys know I have your best interest in heart, and I'm always going to come up here to give you the latest updates and the latest. So make sure you try it out, and I believe you're not going to regret it. So guys, get original wig caps if you want to do a frontal glueless wig for the best outcome, best results. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.